30 years. That's how long Liberty Safe has been building the best safes in America. I've had my Liberty Safe for 5 years now, and I'm proud to tell my friends and family from the high road about how incredible these safes are. There's a reason Liberty Safe is known as the #1 manufacturer in the United States. They just build them better, and they build them right here. That means more jobs for American workers and all the benefits of American ingenuity and durability. They're picked up by tornadoes, thrown a block and a half away, and the stuff inside is still intact. They've been in house fires where everything is burned down, and yet the documents and valuables remain protected inside. These safes are amazing.